Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So it is asking you to verify your bank with Plaid. You can ask me how would I do so, what is this, and every other question we all know. So IC uses Plaid to securely verify bank accounts for IC payments inside the IC platform. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually do so. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, we want to go through the sc.com or SC app if you are using any type of Android or iOS. So for me right now, I'm just going to go through sc.com, tap on this website, then go all the way in. As you see guys, we have our account, we have shop manager, I'm already logged in so I can see my whole dashboard. But for you guys, we have to log in using your email address and password, then go all the way to shop manager in the top right corner. Look for finances and payment settings. So, under bank details, click verify with Plaid. Then search for your bank, log in using your online banking credentials, then confirm the connection. So once approved, your bank is verified instantly. Don't even worry about that. As for like a bonus tips, use the correct online banking login. If your bank doesn't appear, choose manual verification, it's totally doable. So Plaid does not store your banking password, don't even worry about it, it's like a login pattern that we all are required to do. They won't store any information valuable about you. So that's it, thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.